Did you know that some ducks can live longer than the average house cat? While the lifespan of a typical cat spans between 12 to 15 years, certain duck species have been known to gracefully paddle their way beyond the 2-decade mark. This longevity can be attributed to various factors including diet, environment, and breed specifics. It's a fascinating comparison that highlights just how resilient these feathered creatures can be. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the remarkable world of ducks. Imagine traveling thousands of miles each year, powered only by your own wings. Each fall, numerous species of ducks undertake such monumental journeys, migrating from their breeding grounds in the north to warmer southern climes for the winter. Take, for instance, the northern pintail, which embarks on a migration that can extend over 3,000 miles one way. These ducks navigate across continents, from the northernmost tips of North America to the cozy wetlands of Central America, relying on a complex mixture of instinct, celestial navigation, and environmental cues. Then, there's the incredible journey of the long-tailed duck, which travels from its Arctic breeding areas all the way to the coastal waters of the northeastern United States and even Europe. These migrations are not just about endurance, but also about precision. Ducks often return to the same wintering spots year after year, a testament to their remarkable navigational skills. These feathered voyagers show us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. It's not just parrots and dolphins that showcase brainpower in the animal kingdom. Ducks, often underestimated, possess a remarkable level of intelligence that can truly astonish. Let's delve into the cognitive world of these feathered thinkers. Recent studies have illuminated the fact that ducks are not just about waddling and quacking. They exhibit advanced problem-solving skills that are essential for navigating their environments. For instance, researchers have observed ducks using tools, a behavior once thought to be exclusive to primates and certain bird species. In one experiment, ducks were seen manipulating water currents with their beaks to bring floating food within reach, a clear demonstration of their understanding of cause and effect. Memory plays a pivotal role in the lives of ducks as well. They are capable of remembering migration paths over thousands of miles, a feat that requires not only robust memory, but also acute spatial awareness. This memory isn't just for routes. Ducks can recall the faces of fellow ducks and humans, helping them to distinguish between friend and foe. Social learning is another feather in their cap. Ducklings learn vital survival skills by mimicking their mothers, from foraging methods to predator avoidance tactics. This ability to learn through observation and mimicry is a cornerstone of intelligence, showing that ducks are more than capable of complex social interactions and learning. So next time you see a duck, remember there's a keen mind behind those quacking sounds. Who needs scuba gear when you can dive like a duck? Indeed, beneath the serene surface of lakes and ponds, some ducks are executing breathtaking dives to forage for their meals. These feathered divers, such as the canvasback and the redhead, have honed their skills to navigate underwater with agility and grace. Diving ducks plunge beneath the water's surface, using their strong legs and webbed feet to propel themselves in pursuit of aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. The lesser scaup, for instance, can dive up to 20 feet deep, disappearing beneath the surface only to emerge minutes later with its prize. What's fascinating is how these ducks adjust their buoyancy. By compressing their feathers and expelling air from their plumage, they can sink effortlessly, turning their bodies into sleek submarines. This adaptation is crucial, allowing them to reach food sources that are otherwise inaccessible to other birds. As they maneuver through their underwater realm, these ducks showcase a fluidity that rivals their aerial maneuvers. In the world of ducks, love comes in bright colors and dramatic displays. As the breeding season approaches, male ducks transform, showcasing some of the most striking plumage in the animal kingdom. These vibrant feathers aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in the intricate ballet of mating rituals. Take the northern shoveler, for instance, whose iridescent green head and bright yellow eyes seem to sparkle against the backdrop of nature. Or the wood duck, a true artist of attire, with patterns that look painted by the brushstrokes of an avant-garde artist. These ducks prance and parade around potential mates, their feathers shimmering in the sunlight. The dance is just as important as the dazzle. With rhythmic bobbing and a variety of quacks and calls, these males put on a performance that rivals any dance troupe. The spectacle is not merely for human enjoyment, but a critical part of their survival, ensuring that their genes carry on through the selection of the most impressive suitor. Beauty and charm aren't just human desires, they're also part of the duck world. Have you ever heard that a duck's quack doesn't echo? Well, prepare to be surprised. This peculiar myth has fluttered around for quite some time, capturing the imaginations of many. It suggests that something in the unique sound of a duck's quack prevents it from creating an echo, a claim that seems both intriguing and scientifically improbable. Let's wade through the science. Sound waves, regardless of their source, behave under the same physical laws. When a duck quacks, the sound waves travel through the air until they encounter a surface that reflects them back. This is what we perceive as an echo. Scientific experiments using sophisticated audio equipment have confirmed that, indeed, a duck's quack does echo. It's just that sometimes the echo might be too soft or absorbed by surrounding noise, making it difficult to hear. So where did this myth originate? It's a bit of a mystery, but it's likely one of those urban legends that took flight without any factual backing. Even in the world of myths, ducks make a splash with the truth. Every part of a duck's body is a marvel of evolutionary design. Let's dive into the fascinating anatomy of these creatures that enables them to thrive in various environments. First, consider the duck's feathers. More than just a covering, these feathers are intricately designed to keep ducks buoyant and dry. Each feather is coated with a special oil produced by a gland near the tail. This oil spreads over the feathers as the duck preens, creating a waterproof barrier. This means that even after a dive, the duck emerges without a drop of water weighing it down. Moving onto their feet, ducks boast webbed feet, a feature that acts like built-in paddles. These are not just for swimming. They also enable ducks to propel themselves efficiently in water while searching for food. This webbing is a perfect example of nature's engineering prowess, optimizing the duck for both swimming and walking on slippery surfaces. Now, let's talk about the duck's bill. Far from being just a simple tool for eating, the duck's bill is a sensory powerhouse. It contains thousands of tiny nerve endings that help the duck detect objects in murky waters. This specialized bill structure allows ducks to forage effectively, feeling and pulling out plants, insects, and small fish without needing clear vision. Lastly, the shape of a duck's body, streamlined and buoyant, helps it to glide effortlessly both in water and air, conserving energy during long flights or while escaping predators. Ducks are not just cute. They are walking, flying, and swimming adaptations at their finest. Now, for the most astonishing fact about ducks that we've saved for last. Ducks, often seen gliding gracefully across ponds or waddling comically on land, hold a secret that underscores their critical role in our ecosystems. Beyond their charming appearances and behaviors, ducks are actually considered keystone species in many aquatic environments. This means they play a pivotal role in maintaining the structural integrity and ecological balance of these habitats. One might wonder, how exactly do these seemingly simple birds accomplish such a monumental task? It all boils down to their feeding habits. Ducks engage in what is known as dabbling. They feed at the surface of the water or tip forward to graze on underwater plants. This activity stirs up the sediment at the bottom of bodies of water, which often brings nutrients to the surface. These nutrients, in turn, support a variety of aquatic plant life and small animals, which are crucial for the health of the water ecosystems. Moreover, the migration patterns of ducks also contribute to the redistribution of these nutrients across vast geographic areas. As they travel, they not only transport nutrients, but also seeds and other plant matter stuck to their bodies, facilitating the spread of various plant species to new locations, enhancing biodiversity. This integral role of ducks in nutrient cycling and plant dispersal is vital for the health of aquatic environments worldwide, impacting everything from water quality to the survival of other species. Who knew that ducks could be this fascinating and vital to our natural world?